Hey guys, it's Habib here. Welcome to Habib Education channel. In today's video, we are going to talk about how to make money both online and offline. So today's topic is how to make money, both online and offline. So here, it doesn't matter where you are, wherever you are in Africa, you can make money as far as Jumia is working in your country. A lot of people don't know Jumia. Jumia is just like Amazon in the US, Kiku in China. I'm going to share 3 ways to make money both online and offline. So without further ado, let's dive into it. Welcome guys. If this is your first time on the channel, kindly like, subscribe and hit the notification bell icon so that whenever we upload new videos, you'll be the first person to be notified. But if you'll be here with us, welcome back. Now, what are the 3 solid ways to make money on Jumia? A lot of people have been at home. We are using mobile phone and laptops, always scrolling through social media. Meanwhile, there are other people who are making huge sum of money online and both offline. Now, I'm going to show you 3 ways of making money on Jumia. And the first one is buy on Jumia and sell off Jumia. The second way to make money is sell on Jumia itself, by becoming a seller on the Jumia platform. And the third one is how to make money through the Jumia affiliate program. So now I don't want to talk much. Let's move straight forward to the first point. So the first one, I said how to buy on Jumia and sell it outside. So with this, we are going to take advantage of the social media platform you are having, like Facebook, like Instagram, like Twitter and other platforms, especially WhatsApp. And which of the WhatsApps am I talking of? Business WhatsApp, of course. We are going to take advantage of the business WhatsApp. You are going to create your catalogs, tag these products, name their prices and some of the features about these products so that it will attract someone like me as a customer to, purchase this product. So something like this lighting system here you are seeing, I bought this on Jumia. So you can take a picture of this same product on Jumia or on the internet. Just label all the features on this product and the price you bought it on Jumia, you can increase a bit on that price. So let's say you bought it at 20 Ghana, you can make it 25 Ghana, and put it in your WhatsApp business catalog. Add the price to it and the features. And if you're able to do this with huge, product that you bought and you resell them, a lot of people are going to be attracted to these products of yours by advertising them on the social media platform you're having, like Facebook. But if you don't have money to advertise them, you can also post it for your friends out there to see it, and when they get interest in those products, they will buy the product. And that one is between you and them. If you don't know how to create those catalogs on your business WhatsApp and add the prices and features, just hit me up in the comment section down below and I'm going to help you through with my WhatsApp link. And I think that's simple one. And there are a lot of products that you can sell, like phones, like tripods and microphones and others. And the demands of these products are higher. So a lot of people will buy, and with that you will get a lot of money out of it. Now let's move to the second one. The second one is how to sell on Jumia. There are 40% of sellers on Jumia who are making over 2,500 Ghana cedis every month. That's huge, bro. That's huge. So and each and every day people are still buying on Jumia. So how are you going to sell on Jumia? Before becoming a seller on the Jumia platform, they will need some necessary informations. I'm going to categorize them into 4. So the first one is the valid national photo ID. And the preferred one, if you are in Ghana, is the Ghana card. If you are in Nigeria also, you can search, and in Nigeria you can also sell on the Jumia platform. That's Jumia Nigeria, as we have Jumia Ghana in Ghana and other places on the continent. Your email address, and after your email address you provide your mobile number. After the mobile number, and the last one is your payment details. So your payment details, if you are in Ghana, you can provide your Momo number or your bank account. So that is simple with selling on the Jumia platform. I will have a special video on how to sell on Jumia platform, so that with that I can guide you and teach you how to sell on the Jumia platform itself. Now I have a link in the comment section down below, on how to become a Jumia affiliate. And now the final process of how to sell on the Jumia platform is through the Jumia affiliate program. Jumia affiliate program, as we have the Amazon affiliate program, is a way in which the Jumia company itself helps you earn money by inviting other people to buy on the Jumia platform. It's like I bought a product, so after buying the product I fell in love with the product, so I introduced the product to my friend and he was also interested. So with that, I'll just go and create a Jumia affiliate program and have my Jumia affiliate link. So with that, I can recommend the link to my friend, so he will buy that same product through my link, and with that Jumia will give me a commission. So the commission, it runs from 3% to 13%, and you can earn a lot through the Jumia affiliate link. I have a link in the comment section down below, and that will be the first link I'll post in the description below. How to become a Jumia affiliate link. I've done so many videos on that, and with that you can earn a lot of money. The bonus tip is how to browse for free. You can browse for free on Google. You can browse for free on the Google Chrome itself. With Opera, each and every day Opera gives you 50% megabyte of data to just browse for free on it. You can do your research, you can search for pictures and other stuff. So mostly I download my PNG photos on Opera through the free 50 megabyte bundle that they offer to me. So I think these are 3 solid ways to make money online, and it makes sense. So try to take advantage of that. I have this video on how to make money on Jumia, or how to buy products on Jumia, before this video too on how to become a Jumia affiliate. So kindly go watch them, and with that it will direct you on how to go through those same process. I think this video is informative and it makes sense. I'm still your boy Habib Educate. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the notification bell icon, so that whenever I upload new videos like this, you'll be the first person to be notified. These are products that I bought so far on Jumia, and with that you can also buy them. This is a light system that I use mostly at the background of my videos, and I can earn money through selling these same videos. I'll share with you my WhatsApp business catalog, one of them that I did, and if you want I can also help you with that, and you can earn a lot. This is another light system. I have my tripod with me that I bought on Jumia. They are not expensive, they are cheap. This is one of my tripod. You can also buy mobile phone. So now let me give you these tips of items that sells on Jumia where you can make money. We have accessories like phones, like tablets, like tripods, those kind of things. A lot of people are getting into TikToks on social media and other stuff. So if you are trying to sell products like tripod, like light system, especially the ring lights and mobile phone, of course people are going to buy into your product. So whatever it is, let me know in the comment section down below. If you need help with your WhatsApp business to create those catalog, put the price and the details, just hit me up in the comment section down below, and I'm here to support you. It's your boy Habib Educate, and I'll see you in the next video. Salam.